2010 Honda Accord X 2.4. Good tires, good brakes, factory maintenance up to date, recent trade-in, sunroof moonroof, alloy wheels, GA Car 17 service records, clean Carfax 160-watt AM/FM/6 disc and dash audio system, 4-wheel disc brakes, 6 speakers, ABS brakes, air conditioning, AM/FM radio, anti-whiplash front head restraints, brake assist, CD player, delay off headlights, dual front impact airbags, dual front side impact airbags, electronic stability control, 4-wheel independent suspension, front anti-roll bar, heated door mirrors, illuminated entry, low tire pressure warning, MP3 decoder, occupant sensing airbag, overhead console, panic alarm, power door mirrors, power driver seat, power steering, power windows, radio data system, rear anti-roll bar, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, security system, speed control, speed sensing steering, speed sensitive wipers, steering wheel mounted audio controls, tachometer, telescoping steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, traction control, variably intermittent wipers. Recent arrival. 2131 City/Highway. Your safety is our top priority. We are constantly sanitizing our offices, showroom, etc. Our delivery drivers will sanitize the vehicle before taking it to you. Drivers will wear a mask and gloves and will re-sanitize the vehicle before exiting. Any remaining paperwork will be carefully handled and delivered to the customer for completion, all while maintaining a safe social distance of at least 6 feet. If you require additional safeguards, please reach out to our team. Contact us at in-store at 770-729-4827 or online at www.heritagevolkswagen.com and see how easy it is to buy a vehicle at Heritage Volkswagen.